doesn't sound that great. That is hail on the Caravan road. Yes, guys, it's hailing.
Welcome to our channel Caravan the World.
I am Rose.
And I am Carsten. We have quit our jobs and going traveling full time. We traveled over the last 6 months New Zealand, and from there we have shipped our car and caravan over to Australia and doing the big lap.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's a rainy day today.
So
It's not always sunshine. It's not always beaches. Sometimes we have just to head out in the caravan and wait that the weather is changing. In this moment we will prepare some YouTube editing, doing our household chorus, having breakfast and maybe going back to sleep. Yeah, that is our normal start into the day. After a cup of tea, we're having breakfast. Today we're having avocados, some chicken, some cheese, some sweets like peanut butter, honey and jam, and of course bread. If you're wondering how the bread will look.
Yeah, so that is some very heavily seeded
German style bread. We are making a bread today as we have not so much traveling today. We're not relocating anymore and we need 5 hours for that. So I put in our bread baking machine already 4 cups of whole flour. Then a little bit hemp seeds. Now some sunflower seeds.
free pour method.
Free pour. Then some flax and chia seeds. They're already in. A little bit ordinary oil, canola oil.
Yeast.
Yeast.
Bread maker's yeast.
Bread maker's yeast. Something like and just water.
2.5 cups.
Basically 2.5 cups. That's all. Now we're putting it in the machine. Putting it on.
Guys, doesn't sound that great. That is hail on the Caravan road. Yes, guys, it's hailing. It's hailing big, relatively big chunks of ice here. Oh, the horse riders went in, honey. It's pretty loud on the inside. Hopefully it will stop soon and they won't get bigger. On the plus side, the panels should be having a good cleaning. The solar panels, darling, what do you think? Okay, it sounds like it's decreasing. Guys, we're in this massive storm. There's lightning, thunder, wind. Got a big tree next to us.
It will be safe. However, that's the most heaviest thunderstorm so far in Australia.
Yeah, it's the biggest one. It's been rocking the whole van. It's like woo 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 woo. And if
Maybe you should open the door. Huh?
I did open the door before. It almost got ripped out of my hand. Massive tree here. Fork lightning all over the place. Rain blowing through. Yeah. So hopefully we will get through this one fine. Hear that wind? It's been going for about, how long has it been already, babe? 20 minutes?
Well, 1 hour.
Oh, he thinks it's an hour. It has been a while.
Since 1 hour it's moving in.
So it's the whole...
Oh, I think we're in the center.
Yeah, we've had the movie on and now it's all around us. I had to go out and... get some... secure some stuff. I guess everyone's got their warnings in. We didn't have ours out, luckily. But it's pretty fierce. Oh, jeez. Gonna get back in. Oh, yeah. Now the lightning's over the horse field. Poor horsies. Okay.
Today, Rose is making hummus. Something which we both like, and it's easy to do, I guess.
Zested the lemon, so it looks a bit weird. You need that little guy.
It's actually a 5-minute job.
5-minute job.
It's a lot of lemon juice.
Can't get enough of that good lemony flavour.
We used to live in Saudi Arabia, and they made really good hummus, and we was liking it. And homemade hummus, or the hummus in Saudi Arabia, is nothing compared to that what you can buy in the supermarkets. What do you put in?
So, this is actually vegetable stock. And I've got a bit of ground coriander, a big spoon of cumin, and then some smoked paprika, salt and pepper. So this is the tahini, which I'm using instead of
Oil.
our stick blender. A little bit more moisture, so I've kept some of the aquafaba, which I've drained from the can. See, it's getting there. Let's get the close up. Yep, it's getting pretty smooth. Time to taste. There you go, honey. What do you think?
Nice.
Yeah.
Delicious.
And that's your hummus. Good in the fridge for days.
Thank you.
We're just gonna do some of the daily stuff that we have to do, which we don't have to do daily actually. We have to do it maybe once a week. But yeah, let's go and get some water. Great! So first you have to find a dump station, then you have to find one that's got a water tap that will work, then ready to go.
Rose is planning something special today. She likes to blast our grey water tank because sometimes the reading is showing it is full and isn't full. So, but first of all, we have to dump everything. I believe that Rose likes to stick in this hose into the grey water dump valve and blast it. Let us see how that is ending up.
Are you going to push the button?
Yeah, that is what I thought, but okay.
Well, maybe it helps.
Maybe it will help.
Yep. Otherwise you have to jump back and forth to in the door to check the screen. Great progress. Going to a public car park. If you've ever towed a caravan, you'll know it's a bugger to find parking in a car park or even near a supermarket. And now we're attempting just that feat. Woohoo! First go. We might even, I think these are even long spaces. We might even be good. Great work, darling. How was that for difficulty level?
It's okay.
I think here is good.
Yes, I'm turning around and parking over there.
Okay, darling. Just popping out for our local shopping. Here we have Coles. Lots more selection. No Coles in New Zealand. So different supermarkets here in Australia and just a bit more variety. They say you know if it is a village or a city if they have an Aldi. And we do pop in to Aldi for some groceries. It's great to have the competition, and they normally have a few deals. Got the shopping done. It's just a little bit today. Just ran out of milk and some biscuits for a little snack. So not a big one, but nice and easy. And there he comes. Pick up. Super. Best Uber ever. Fuel time. Mount Barnett Roadhouse. Dun 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 dun.
$2.80 per liter, the most expensive fuel so far in Australia.
We got a record holder.
But if you are the only fuel station between here and Broome after 350 kilometers, something like that, of course you can ask whatever you want for the fuel. You need to fuel up, it's as simple as it is. Next fuel station is at 300 kilometers from here.
So we're getting gas. They've got unleaded here. It's $2.73 a litre. And
They are asking for arm and a leg here.
arm and a leg. Yep.
It's more expensive than Cape York, I believe.
There's a leak from our fuel tank. That's not good.
Yeah. We are F-upped. Fucked.
Had just doing a quick check inside. We had to take the microwave out and just might try and put that, otherwise everything's okay. And he's been busy doing MacGyver type of things.
And here on this side, there are 3 rivets connecting this frame to the microwave. And basically you cannot put screws in. I was trying it yesterday with epoxy glue, but it was not holding, not really bonding. So now, duct tape. As usual, duct tape is always holding.
All the preparations is done. I have roughed the hole or the cut, and now I will put the first plug in.
We're sounding like there's a problem with the water. The pumps were making a loud noise and they were turning off by themselves. So we've come to see if we can do any little diagnosis under here. Checking the temperature of the pumps with his hand. That one, oh, let me see, can I see that? Yesterday we removed a huge amount of swath, of blue swath from that pump, so there's a little bit there. Yep, let's see if we can reset our systems. We'll reset the BM Pro under the bed. Okay, so this is our under the bed system now. I'll do the reset here. Oh, hang on, should I put the inverter off? Okay, and then press to reset. Oh, that sounds like it's jumped to attention there. Sounds like air in the line to me. That's what you thought, honey. Yeah, I think we run it a little bit. Let's hope we can get more water. What? Empty. It was reading. We had a reading earlier of two full tanks.
Hello, darling. What's for dinner? What's for dinner today?
We've got there. I just want to show you how the cooked texture is. So it's really creamy. All of the dal is cooked down. So now it's dinner time. It's all ready. Best time of the day. Darling, don't forget to put a little bit of lemon juice. We are out of herbs. What to do? Camping. And we're having it with some fresh bread. Yeah. Good morning. We're in a sweet spot here. Lake Okaro, low cost camp spot. And we're just doing some daily business, which is we've just emptied the ogo, the bucket, and that is not perfectly clean, but that's just a little bit of compost. No problem at all.
It's not our daily business. We have to do it every 2 to 3 weeks. However,
Usually
so
3. Yeah.
We're having here this coconut brick. I have to make it in smaller pieces like that. And then put some water in, and then that's basically all.
Yeah.
Okay? It's a little bit tricky to break it.
We've seen a hack from someone else where they split it with a screwdriver. It's definitely helping heaps.
Break it down in smaller pieces. So now it is like that.
Yep.
So how much water?
About 3 cups. Now we'll let that rehydrate for 10 minutes and then we'll put it in the Ogo. Hang on. So
it has to be like that.
it's transformed now.
Yeah.
With 10 minutes, right?
Yep.
It's a little bit low, but it's at the level of the mixing forks.
Okay.
So that's fine. Okay. Side clamps on. Then let's open her up. Open her up. And stir. Completely clean. Just some compost. We're not showing you anything terrible. If you got this far, thank you so much. You're a legend. If you haven't already, we would be so grateful if you would consider subscribing. It's free for you and it helps us to keep creating content. Give us a like or comment if you've enjoyed it or if we could improve. Thank you.